Devin up here in the back, and today I got Anker's magnetic charging station Mag Go. Alright, so this is a 8-in-1 power supply. As you see all the outlets right here, and on the front you got a Magsafe. So I thought this was pretty interesting. I had to go and pick it up and see what is going on. And so yeah, we're gonna unbox it, talk about it, and go over it. And yeah, let me know what y'all think. Just stepping up. First video, let's get it started. I got goals today, you got goals today. Thanks for watching. Let's get it started. Hey. All right, so here we go. Anker's magnetic charging station, Mag Go. As you see, it says 8-in-1, power 8 devices simultaneously, magnetically snap and charge. And as we see here, there's 3 outlets, 2 USB-Cs on the side and 2 USB-As in the middle. And then we have the Magsafe right here, but we're gonna get into that later. So here's some of the specs. You guys can read that among yourself. For some, what's most important to them is the USB output, and it's 65 watt, and that's pretty strong. The choice of 65 million plus happy users worldwide, fast charging via leading technology, 24-month hassle-free warranty, compact spacing saving design and enabled by GAN technology, charge more devices with 2 USB Type-Cs and 2 USB-A ports. Charge laptops at full speed with 65 watts USB-C power delivery. All right, so next we're gonna unbox it. All right, so here it is when you first get it. As you see, you got the Magsafe charger right dead in the center, right in front of your face. And on the back, you got the outlets, 1 facing up, 2 facing down, 3 outlets, 2 USB Type-C outlets, and 2 USB Type-A outlets. And then there's 2 little dots right here with some writing on it. If I zoom it in, you can see on the left right here, it says surge protection. On the right, it says grounded protection. All right, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take everything from this desk, place it on here and my phone right here, and see how it can take and handle some pressure. Also, I'm gonna smell it to make sure I don't smell anything. I'm gonna listen to it to make sure that it's silent, and we're just gonna see, run some tests. All right, so it's ready. As you see, the 2 dots lit up. It's blue. You can barely see that, but it's blue. All right, so first things first, bombs away. We're gonna place my iPhone on it. It's a nice stick. As you see, it's charging. Okay, next, I'm gonna place my LED lights on it. Okay, that's good. Yes, it is blocking too, you know, but that's fine, that's fine. All right, so next I'm gonna place my mouse on it. Okay, so we see that's working. Yep, that's up and running. And maybe I can probably fit probably 1 more, and that's gonna be my speaker. So let's give that a try. All right, and look, as you see, this is working too. So it's done pretty good with the stress test. My phone's still charging. It's doing pretty good. What time is it? I'm gonna come back at 10:50 and smell it to see if it's still holding up pretty nice, and if it's, you know, smelling pretty good. Be right back. All right, as you see, it's 10:50 now. Yep, see, 10:50. I'm gonna leave this on here for the rest of the video. I'm not gonna take it out. I'm not scared. I don't smell anything. Everything looks fine. So that's pretty much it. Like I said, you have the options of 3 outlets, 2 USB Type-A ports, 2 USB Type-C ports. I'm doing a little bit of stress test. Like I said, I have my printer on here, speaker, LED lights, a mouse, and my phone on it. That's a pretty much a lot of power right there. You know what I'm saying? It's a decent amount, but What do you guys think? I think this is pretty awesome. And the fact that I can place it on my desk. And you know, if you got some cable stuff to hide, you can hide the cables. But to me, you know, I think this is pretty awesome. We can do a lot. What do y'all think of the outlet? I think it's pretty cool. Like I said, you got the outlets right here. You got the Magsafe right here. So I think it's obvious you would use it for like an office or desk type setting, you know. It's pretty obvious, you know. But if not, what would you guys use it for? And also, what do you guys think about it? Me personally, I think it's pretty cool. For this, I would need some cable organizer kind of thing, because it's kind of all over the place. Versus my outlet, I can pretty much have it on the floor, kind of out the way. So I guess with the thing with this, the cable's gonna kind of be everywhere, but if you have like a hole in the desk you can put your cables through, that's a good idea. Or you can buy a cable organizer, just have the wires go through the cable, just kind of clean up a little bit, because as you saw, it was cool, but it's just kind of sticking out there everywhere, looking like some Sonic the Hedgehog kind of thing. But the positive side is that what you will see in front of it is your phone hanging from it. So it's pros and cons to it, but it's awesome because you can have, you know, it charge everything pretty much, and it can charge your laptop. So that's it. That's all. It's the end of the video. What do you guys think? Thanks for watching. This is Debbing Up. I got goals today. You got goals today. We gonna get it done in 2022. Let's get our goals done. And I'm out. Happy New Year's and thanks for watching.